Hi everybody, welcome back to the HDR Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily use all the picture settings in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first we need to go to the right to the settings here and down of course, and here we have to click OK. Now we have to click all settings and scroll all the way down so that you can see picture. You have to click that, and here as you can see they have picture mode. Let's click that. Here we have dynamic, standard, eco and movie. To select preferred one you have to click on each. Then yes, and now our picture mode is changed. Here apart from we have AI picture optimizer, but this automatically applies a suitable screen mode for the current screen. This feature is supported only when the current starts via PC. If the game mode is on, this feature can't be set. It changes based on the game genre. Here as you can see we have eye care and we can click that. Here we have eye saver mode. If we click on it, we can enable the low blue light mode. Here we do have low and here we do have high. To apply we have to just click OK button, move to left and then yes. Here we do have adaptive picture and we can click on it and click yes. What it does, it optimizes brightness and provides the best picture quality in real time based on our lighting environment. Here apart from that we do have smart calibration, which requires either Galaxy S series, Note series, Z Flip or Z Fold, released after January 2019, or an iPhone that supports Face ID, which is every single one after the X, with the X itself. I won't show you, but here as you can see we have to scan this QR code. Here apart from that we have the expert settings, and here we don't really have the advanced settings, but yeah. Here we can change the brightness level of our monitor. We can increase it and decrease it. Here we do have contrast level, and with the left and right we can increase and decrease it. Sharpness, color, to the right and to the left, which is the saturation actually. Tint, which is the between green and red. We can move it more to the red and more to the green one. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but the screen is more greenish, and here we have more red and purple. If we move down, here we have HDR Tone Mapping, which automatically adjusts the brightness with tone mapping processing according to the HDR content information. Here we have contrast enhancer, and we have to click on that. We do have here low and here high. And though again said we have to click OK. Here we have shadow detail, and we can increase the shadow detail or decrease the shadow detail. Here they have gamma, and if we click that we can change to the ST.208044. Here they have HLG. By the default is BT.1886, and we can set it to the 2.2. Here we have the gamma settings, and we can increase the gamma and decrease gamma. And here they have apply picture settings. We can change to the current source or all sources at all right now. Here they have color space settings, and we can click that. And here they have color space. Here we have auto, native or custom. Native is the native, of course. Auto is auto, and custom, which means that we can change the color gamut, color and red, green and blue. It's that easy actually. Here they have Color Booster Pro, which adjusts color intensity for each scene. We can set it to low or high. I will set it to, for example, low. And now we can go back. Here they have color tone, and here they have standard, cool, warm 1, warm 2 or natural. Here they have white balance, and we can, if we click that, we can set it for either for 2 point or 20 point. And here in 20 point we can enable that or disable. And here, as you can see, they have interval, which is 5%, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, up to, I guess, 100. Yes, that's correct. And here they have red, green and blue, and we can increase these values or reset the 20 point settings. The same is for 2 point, I mean almost the same, where they have red gain, green gain, B gain, a red offset, green offset and blue offset, and reset. Apart from that, apart from the white balance, we do have picture clarity settings, and we can set it from custom to auto or off. Jotter reduction, which is smooth and uneven or jumpy visual processing by rendering Jotter on the screen, and we can set it easily. And manage the noise reduction to off or auto. Here we have picture radial, and if we click that we can change the picture size, but here this window is 16 to 9, and here we have fit to screen. We can disable that, enable that, or set it to auto. Here we can reset all the picture settings. Let's click that and let's reset. As you can see, every single thing that I've changed is now resetted. And that's all the picture settings. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!